everybody? I'm here today to talk to you about a Chromebook that is not charging when it is plugged in properly to an outlet or a power source. I'll be going over the easiest fixes with these step-by-step instructions. Let's get right into the video. There are 6 things that I'm going to outline, and I'm going to go over these quickly. I'm going to go through these quickly, so pay attention, take notes, try them out at home with your own Chromebook, and hopefully one of them works for you to fix the problem. Let's get into this. Number 1, the most obvious one, is to check the power source. I know that you think that that plug or that outlet is working properly, but maybe it's not. Sometimes fuses, what's the word I'm looking for? Fuses, circuit breakers trip and fuses blow. There we go. So sometimes fuses blow and sometimes circuit breakers trip and you won't know it. So you think that that outlet is working, but maybe it's not. Plug in a different device to that outlet. See if the outlet itself works. That's number 1, check the power source. Number 2 is to try a different power source. Maybe for one reason or another, the power source that you're using is just not working with the Chromebook charging cable, okay? So try a different power source. Give it a try. Plug it into a different outlet in a different part of the house, different part of the building, or even in a different building completely. Try it out. Give it a try. You would be absolutely surprised at what actually works and fixes problems like these. Number 3 is to inspect the charging cord for damage and or wear. You want to take a look at the charging cord and look for damage and or wear. Now we're dealing with electrical cords here, so if the charging cord is damaged and it's worn out, broken, frayed, anything like that, if the insulation is broken or torn up, don't use it. Just get a new charging cord. It's simple, very simple. You don't want to fool around with it. So look at the charging cable and just take a look and see if it looks worn. If it does, get a new charging cable, or at least try a different charging cable and see if you can get it to work. Then you know it is the charging cable. If a different charging cable works, then obviously you know it's the charging cable. Get a new one. Move on, okay? Number 4 is to blow into the charging port of the Chromebook itself. Now, you want to take a look at the charging port of the Chromebook, and on occasion, very rarely, but on occasion, depending on where you use it and how you use it, your Chromebook might have some dirt, debris, or dust that's caught in there that's preventing it from getting a good enough connection. So find the charging port of your Chromebook, blow into it pretty thoroughly and aggressively. Some people will recommend using a can of compressed air. You can do that, but honestly, your breath is probably more than enough. If you get a good amount of air pressure, your breath is more than enough to sort of blow out any dirt, debris, or dust that's caught in there. So blow into the charging port of the Chromebook, see if that helps you out. If that doesn't fix the problem, move on to fix number 5, which is to get the charging cable and plug it in properly, deliberately, with a decent amount of force to the Chromebook. Sometimes you plug it in like this, you think you're good, but in reality, you want to feel a click, and you want to hear a click when you plug it in. All chargers, when you plug them in, you're going to get a click, especially Chromebook. Modern Chromebook chargers are all going to be like a type of sort of like a USB style charger, not like a barrel charger, like a USB, like a weirdly shaped charger, like an oval kind of thing. And you're going to get like USB-C, that type of thing. You're going to get that click sound and feeling when you plug it in. So plug it in deliberately and make sure you get a decent amount of force. You're not jamming it in there, but plug it in until you get that click or that sound. If you don't get that clicking sound or feeling, then that's probably where the problem lies, okay? Lastly, fix number 6 is to restart the actual Chromebook. On occasion, it might be a software issue, very rarely, but it's happened with my laptop before where I'm plugging it in and it's not charging, and I restart it and it charges perfectly fine. So it was a software glitch or issue or whatever the case is. Just restart it. You don't even restart it a couple times. You never know. Look for an update on your operating system. Try those things out. It might be a software issue, and hopefully that fixes the problem. And that's essentially it. If your Chromebook is not charging when it is plugged in, these are the easiest fixes in this step-by-step tutorial with super easy instructions, 6 things that you can try out. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.